Oh, closing it. Oh, I thought it was my go. Yeah, that'll be a healthy safety thing to stop people from walking straight along and into the cars or my bike. Oh, I see. You want me to walk where it says pedestrians? Okay. You can guarantee the second I turn the engine off or stop filming, he'll say move on. Let's pretend, shall we? Ooh, I'm going to turn it off, No. Fascinating. That young lad there, he's in nautical college and he's doing a seamanship degree. Down the bottom.
On the dotted yellow line.
Okay, on the line.
Yeah, on the line.
Look at that. What a pro. Yep. Right, I'll get out of the way. Yet another ferry, and this time heading for Armadale on the Isle of Skye. The amount of signs on the dock and on the boat saying don't set your alarm, yet people still set their alarm. What's that all about? this is about a half-hour journey. We'll be at Skye in no time. That was a very quick and efficient little journey, that. Doing a continuous 10 miles an hour and then slowing it down as we got to the port. Oop. Cheers. Look at that, little subtle signals there, a little nod and so on, and off I go. Oh, we're going this way whether we want to or not. Yeah, so we are now on the Isle of Skye, possibly Scotland's most famous but definitely largest island, or so I've read. Don't shoot me if I'm wrong. Okay, well the first thing I'm going to do, the first place I'm going to head is for a campsite. Well, I phoned them up, they have space at the moment, but because it's a bank holiday weekend, by the time I get there they might not. But I'm going to go there and they're going to say yay or nay. As I said, I have been to Skye before. Last time I went up the east side, but I'm going to explore the west side this time, visiting Portree, which is Skye's capital town, then heading north into Uig. So it's going to be a nice couple of days on Skye. Promises some great roads and some staggering views. It's a Saturday, and later in the week, Thursday and possibly Friday, though it keeps changing, Thursday at least is going to be rain all day long, so wherever I am then, I imagine I'll be on Harris by then, or maybe I'll be about to make my way to Ullapool after Harris. It depends on the schedule. I mean, I'm setting aside approximately 2 days per island, and then a day of ferry and a little bit of travelling, so you're looking at around about 2.5 days per island. Feels very sheltered here. There's no sense of like wind at the moment. Let's just get past this camper. God, suddenly the mountains of Skye just appeared out of nowhere. Though I'm sure they were there before I arrived. Could that be like that old thing of if a tree falls over in a forest but there's nobody there to hear it, does it make a sound? So whereas the southern half of Skye is fairly flat, the north is predominantly mountainous, and that's what I'll be heading to sometime tomorrow, unless I don't find a campsite, in which case I could be going there today. Cattle grid. Skulamus. Yeah, I've heard it goes nicely with potatoes. So, what do we have here? We have a little tine. Right, we're on the main kind of road now. The A87. Ah, there it is, A87. Sounding good, running well, pulling nicely. Very nice. About 1 3/4 miles to this first campsite. But Harrapool, not Hartlepool, Harrapool. I have to say Harrapool looks a lot more inviting than Hartlepool. Don't take it personally if you're from Hartlepool. I'm at a Co-op and an Astra Express. Well, I have food for tonight, but in the morning I can pop there, as long as I get this campsite here, and get some supplies, can't I? Fish and chips, Right, and this campsite, by the look of it, where is it? It's not there. An RC church. What's that? A radio controlled church. Is that the campsite? No. 320 yards. Camping Skye. Oh, there we go. Right. Camping Skye. Right, I'll turn around this way because I didn't fancy that big rough patch of gravel right by there. There we go. Look at that. Fingers crossed. Please. Camping Skye. Camping Skye. Camping Skye. Doesn't look that busy. Was he just being a bit over dramatic? Reception. Yes, they had a space, so I paid for that, and I've just whipped back out to get a coffee, and I found this place called the Coffee Bothy. Those lights aren't flashing. They must be LEDs, but they aren't flashing like that. It's extremely compact and bijou, as they say. Compact and bijou, Mostin. What a delicious cup of decaf latte. Decaf latte, brothers. Well, I have my dinner for tonight, which is going to be smoked haddock, asparagus and fine green beans. I'll just fry the haddock and boil the vegetables. Surely you don't need me to show you how to do that. Right, let's get to the campsite. That's what I say. Set up camp and chillax for a bit. Okay, I'm told, no, I've gone too far, I'm told that I can take my bike up there. There's a stone in the way to stop cars getting up there, but my bike is fine, so I'm told. I was told by the boss, so I'll probably get a funny look from the fellow campers, but hey. This is an unusual arrangement. It says I can go up here like this. Oh, these bikes are notoriously difficult to manoeuvre. Ugh, come on. Ugh, unless the ground's going the right way. Ugh, I'll have to get off and do it. Ugh. I believe I found the last camping pitch in Skye this bank holiday Saturday. So I'm going to sit here and enjoy the other half of this mushroom and cheese. It's kind of salty bread which I got from the bakers at Mallaig. with my coffee this morning. It was hot, straight out the oven. It's quite superb. Here it's suddenly gone cloudy and very cold, so I'm looking forward to having me dinner and then washing up and getting in the sack, quite literally. Boiled the asparagus and fine green beans. Good stuff, this coconut. 9 times out of 10 it doesn't stick. Yeah. I may have done a few too many vegetables, but try haddock fried in coconut. Tastes delicious. Quite perfect there. It was nice being up on like a terrace, like apes, you know, living different heights in the forest, denoting superiority or inferiority. I was halfway up, which is where I like to be. I don't want to be at the bottom and I don't want to be at the top. To begin with for today then, I'm heading across country to the curiously named Dunvegan. D-U-N-V-E-G-A-N. Once I reach Dunvegan, I'll be heading northeast-ish, back across Skye, to the capital town of Portree, and we'll take a look round there. Dunvegan is 37 miles away. Yeah, the winds are out today. Strolimus. Dunnan. Dunnan. Oh no, that's Dannon. It looks very misty this morning. This generally is a misty morning. As the misty morning rolled away to die, reaching for the stars, we touched the sky. Aye, aye, aye. Ah, Ronnie James Dio. You make me feel so young. Yeah, low-hanging cloud. Later on today, I'm going to be up, not there, but up a mountain, a misty mountain, unless it's cleared by then. Scottish flag back there, and I read a Google review of one campsite I was thinking of staying at, which I didn't because I stayed at Skye Camping. And it was a 1-star review, and whoever the individual was really, I mean really angry that the campsite owner had the Scottish flag proudly waving in the wind on his campsite, and that the person found it deeply offensive because it went against their own beliefs. Entitlement doesn't cover it really. Just look at this. Oh, we're going up that road. How awesome is that? My word, this is proper motorcycle riding country. So this is the main A road around Skye, the A87. The cross-country road isn't like this. Oh, the sun's bouncing off the mountain there. Oh. This is, you don't have to go abroad. This is relatively on your doorstep. Not that I've ever been there, but this is reminiscent of the Isle of Man, from what I've seen, yeah, at the TT, the island's mountain course. But then it's also reminiscent of the Yorkshire Dales. So we've been round a big lump of rock and coming back, heading towards that bay again that we saw a little earlier. This is Sconser, where I'd initially thought I'd be camping, not expecting any availability at Skye Camping, which is the largest and most popular site on the island. But it was. Now, where's this road going to take us? I do like a good twist. I wonder how often I'm going to have to do this. As per usual, I shall ride as quickly as I can see. B-O-R-V-E. I am Locutus of Borv.